Hey guys, today I have with me the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume button and SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G comes with a 64-megapixel triple camera setup with the OnePlus logo at the back. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G comes with a Mediatek Dimensity 900 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G is Android 11 with OxygenOS. So guys, that's it for OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Download the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store. Check if there are any updates for the Qualcomm Voice Assist app. Launch the Alexa app. Log in with your Amazon ID. Give permissions to Alexa and Qualcomm Voice Assist. Make sure to go for voice training so Alexa can learn your voice. Alexa. Alexa. You can allow Alexa to respond even when your phone is locked. Give Alexa access to your contact list to make hands-free calls. Here is the Alexa home screen. Now you're all set. Why not ask Alexa a question? Alexa, how are you?
I'm happy to be talking to you. How are you doing?
I'm great too, thanks.
So glad to hear it.
To access Alexa through touch, make sure to add it as a widget on the home screen. Tap and hold the Alexa icon, click widget and drag it into position. From here, Alexa is just one tap away at all times.
And we're live with Chad for his morning glow-up. Oh, low battery alert. Plug that baby in and pick out some sick drip. Oh, don't forget nibbles. Boom! 1 day's power in 15 minutes. Now strap in for face-melting boredom. This lady's voice could stun a rhinoceros. Can Chad survive? Amazing! Chad's juked the professor and stomping noobs on that big display with an assist from the speedy chipset. There's Chad's flashy bay. Good thing he's prepared because she loves talking about her classy threads.
¿Sabes qué le pasa por la cabeza a ese hombre? Pero vos no me digas eso. Sí, quiero más, dale, dale. Ay, sí, me encanta.
Holy cow, he went full Giga Chad on those shots. And now Chad's battling the evil spectre of loud public transportation. Whoa, just call him Quick Trigger Chad, and he's on the phone and swiping with blazing speed, stacking likes like a boss. Oh man, he's done a bang-up job.
A little more than you expect.
Hey everyone, this is Dhruman from Tech Insider India and today I'm unboxing the latest OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. Let's quickly read what it speaks on the box. You get mobile phone inside it, there's a power adapter, there's a Type-C cable that you get in box, a quick start guide, a welcome letter, SIM tray ejector tool and a Red Cable Club membership. It also reads powered by Mediatek. It's time we unbox it. Okay, we get a TPU case inside the box along with some paperwork. Here's a bunch of paperwork, SIM ejector tool, and we get some dear friend note from the OnePlus team, a membership card for the Red Cable Club, some stickers, safety information guide, and a quick start guide. With that out of the way, here's the phone itself. So here's the phone. Let me keep it aside, we will come back to it. We will quickly further dig inside the box. Here is this big massive brick. It is a 65 watt WOOC charger that you get with the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. According to the brand, you will be able to charge up your device for a complete day within just 15 minutes. And here is the famous red cable that you get inside the box. Of course, a USB type A to USB type C. Bringing our complete attention back to the smartphone itself, the variant with us is in this Bahama blue color that looks very nice. There's another color that the smartphone is available in, that is the grey mirror. Overall, the in-hand feel of the smartphone is quite nice. Starting on the right hand side, you get a power lock and unlock button. Beneath it is a speaker grill. You get a linear speaker on the smartphone. Here's the USB type C port. Here is the 3.5mm headphone jack. Turning it around, you get to see the volume rockers. And finally, the SIM tray. Let me quickly eject the SIM tray and see what is the situation there. So this is a triple card slot. You can insert 2 SIM cards along with 1 micro SD card. As I mentioned before, the storage on the smartphone is expandable up to 1 TB. On the back, there's a triple rear camera setup that you get. The main camera is a 64 megapixel shooter. The other one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor. And finally, there's a 2 megapixel macro sensor. Let me quickly boot it up. So we have finally set up the smartphone. On top, we see a 6.43 inch AMOLED display that supports HDR10+. The smartphone is running on OxygenOS 11. So guys, that was the quick unboxing for the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, and I hope you found this video helpful.